Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Honda Fit gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever. This lever is usually found on the floor, on the driver's side of your Honda Fit. It's often positioned near the driver's seat or close to the door sill. You'll recognize it by a small, distinct gas pump icon, making it easy to spot and access when you need to refuel. Once you've located the lever, gently pull it upwards. You might hear a soft click, which indicates that the mechanism has engaged. This action will cause the fuel door on the exterior of your Honda Fit to pop open slightly. There's no need to pull forcefully. A gentle tug is usually all it takes to release the door. Now, walk to the rear driver's side of your Honda Fit. You'll notice that the fuel door is now slightly ajar, indicating it's ready to be opened. Simply use your hand to fully open the fuel door. It should swing open smoothly, providing full access to the gas cap. This step is straightforward and requires minimal effort, getting you ready for refueling in no time. With the fuel door open, you can now access the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Most Honda Fit models have a small tether or holder for the cap, so you can hang it securely while you refuel. Once you're done, simply replace the cap by turning it clockwise until it clicks, then close the fuel door.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.